All right, 1, 2, 3. Everybody say skibbity.
No.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh, help me, Lord. Where's everybody at?
Oh wait, they're over there.
Where are they at?
They're over there.
Oh. Perfect, go. You see where she landed? You see where she is?
Let me get off the way.
I'm not talking about getting a running start or anything like that, but the further the better.
Okay.
1, 2.
Oh my God.
Everybody survived.
Yay.
Y'all up? I think that woman must have hit that. You're doing good. You're doing good. Both sides. Good side. Good job. Fantastic. Fantastic. Woo. There it is. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Both sides. Both sides. Paddle, 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 paddle. No! Here we go. Paddle, 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 paddle. Both sides, both sides, both sides.
You get off.
Are you going?
No.
I can, we're trying to hold this side down so you can hop in, yeah.
Oh my God.
Hold 2 paddles up there.
All right, now we're gonna get on this side. Oh, he's gonna do it. You got it. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get you one.